We find ourselves back in the midst of the controversy on the regulations surrounding testosterone levels in female athletes. In a momentous victory, the incredible double Olympic champion Caster Semenya has emerged triumphant in her appeal before the Human Rights Court. The European Court of Human Rights has declared that the esteemed South African 800-meter gold medalist was subjected to discrimination. The ruling sets a significant precedent and ignites a thrilling chapter in the ongoing debate surrounding fairness and inclusion in sports. In a significant development, double Olympic champion Caster Semenya has emerged victorious in her Human Rights Court appeal regarding the regulations surrounding testosterone in female athletes. The European Court of Human Rights has ruled that the esteemed South African 800 meters gold medalist has experienced discrimination. Semenya, aged 32, has a medical condition called hyperandrogenism, which is characterized by higher than usual levels of testosterone. Testosterone is a hormone that contributes to increased muscle mass, strength, and hemoglobin, impacting endurance. According to the existing rules, athletes with differences in sexual development DSDs resulting in elevated testosterone levels must lower them to levels equivalent to a healthy woman with ovaries in order to compete in women's events. This can be achieved through methods such as taking contraceptive pills, receiving monthly injections, or undergoing surgical procedures to remove testes. The court's decision could potentially lead to a re-evaluation of the regulations by the highest sports court, challenging the requirement for Semenya and other female athletes with naturally higher testosterone levels to artificially reduce them in order to participate in elite competitions, including the Olympics and World Championships. Additionally, the court determined that the runner had been deprived of an effective remedy when her two previous appeals against the regulations were dismissed by both the Court of Arbitration for Sport and Switzerland's Supreme Court. While Tuesday's ruling stands as a notable victory for Semenya, it primarily paves the way for the Swiss Supreme Court to reassess its prior decision. Consequently, the case may be referred back to the Court of Arbitration for Sport in Lausanne. Only through this process might there be a potential removal of the rules enforced by World Athletics, the governing body for track and field worldwide. Having claimed the Olympic gold medal in the 800 meters event both in 2012 and 2016, Semenya has faced restrictions since 2019 due to the testosterone regulations, which have prevented her from competing in that particular event. Consequently, she was unable to defend her title at the Tokyo Olympics. These rules have significantly impacted Semenya's ability to participate in her favorite event, despite her past successes and status as an Olympic champion. World Athletics affirmed its commitment to maintaining its existing rules and regulations. The organization stated, "We remain of the view that the DSD regulations are a necessary, reasonable, and proportionate means of protecting fair competition in the female category, as the Court of Arbitration for Sport and Swiss Federal Tribunal both found after a detailed and expert assessment of the evidence." In 2019, the Court of Arbitration for Sport (CAS) concluded that the rules set by the global governing body, World Athletics, were essential to ensure fair competition among female athletes. Semenya expressed her dissent at the time, arguing that the rules were discriminatory. Additionally, she shared her experience of feeling consistently unwell due to the use of contraceptive pills as part of the regulations. What are your thoughts on this controversial issue? Go ahead and share your comments. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. Till then, keep the sports spirit alive.